Hi, my name is William Atkinson. I'm a person in long-term recovery, and what that means to me is that I haven't found it necessary to pick up a drink or a drug since February 27th of 2006. I'm lucky. I got this opportunity at a young age. I come from a family of some means, and so when it was obvious that I wasn't doing well, I had the opportunity to go to what I consider to be one of the best treatment centers in all of the United States. I went through Hazelden's Continuum of Care up in Minnesota, which included their fellowship club in St. Paul, Minnesota. And since they've been in operation since the 1950s, an organically grown group of sober living homes, owned and operated by individual proprietors, has grown up in the downtown St. Paul area between 7th Ave North and Grand Street on the way to the XL Energy Center. And so at a young age, I was 19 at the time, I was surrounded by people in recovery who were at gas stations, uh, local coffee shops, meeting halls, local jobs, everywhere. Um, and so I was exposed to a recovery way of life on a daily basis, um, and I had a safe, supportive environment with which to hear that message. It didn't keep me sober. Unfortunately, I had to test the waters a couple of times, but shortly after turning 21, thanks to the support that surrounded me, I haven't found it necessary to pick up a drink or a drug since. I'm 37 today, and I have had an incredibly blessed recovery journey. In 2008, um, I got the opportunity to move down here to Florida, where I joined the substance use disorder field. Um, started working at a local treatment center where I was encouraged to pursue my education, which became a bachelor's in human services with a concentration in addictions and a minor in childhood development. In 2011, opened up the first Florida Association of Recovery Residences accredited sober living programs on the west coast of Florida called Tampa Bay Sober Living. Since opening in 2011, we have grown throughout the Tampa Bay area with over 100 beds available to the public. And we have included other programs into our business, becoming the associate recovery communities. Um, I feel incredibly grateful and blessed because I had a roadmap from my early recovery in and around St. Paul, Minnesota, to attempt to recreate here in Florida through providing a sober campus, an opportunity for people to connect with one another through jobs, meeting halls, um, local fun events, all of those type of community building activities promote uh, the recovery way of life that we're hoping can be continually shared and progressed from one person to another. So it's for us, for me, all about creating the environment and the safe and supportive space where somebody can rise to the occasion and recreate their life. And for me, all of that comes from personal experience in and around St. Paul, Minnesota, and the Hazelden Organic program that I had the privilege of being a part of. So without safe, supportive environments, um, I don't believe I would be where I am today. And I am incredibly grateful for all of the opportunities that these safe, supportive environments have shown me. I mean, to the point where now we are developing and maintaining a recovery community organization called Recovery Epicenter Foundation that provides outreach, recovery, peer support, not only to people in sober living homes, but to the larger recovery community in the Tampa Bay region, um, all based on the concept that I got to experience in St. Paul, Minnesota. So thank you all for the opportunity to share a little bit of my story with you. Housing is essential, in my opinion, to the health and wellness of somebody in recovery. And so long as that housing is safe, supported, directed, monitored, um, folks like me will have an opportunity to have a beautiful life. Thank you all. Hope you have a great rest of your day.